What if I told you the awakening of one of the biggest blockchain plays of 2025 is happening right now? BlockDAG's Awakening Testnet is officially going live on September 25th. As you can see, guys, it's real, it's running, and it's unstoppable. With over $405 million raised, more than 312,000 holders on board, and the final pre-sale price locked at 0.2013, the awakening has begun and the timing could not be bigger. Welcome back, guys. Let's dive straight into what's happening with BlockDAG right now. As I said, the Awakening Testnet is going live on September 25th, and this is where BlockDAG shows its full infrastructure in action. We're talking about the first live activation of its Layer 1 blockchain with a clean ledger and a real-time explorer giving full transparency to every move on chain. On top of that, guys, coming online are also account abstraction, refined vesting contracts, and the Stratum protocol, which means real miners are finally syncing directly with the network. Add stress testing, QA, and groundwork for AIP 4337, and what you get is a chain that's not only live but already proving that it's strong enough to handle the future. The Awakening Testnet is a proof that BlockDAG is here and already running, and we are still super early. What's important to highlight is that BlockDAG is also stepping onto the global stage with a major event in Singapore, and the momentum obviously doesn't stop with the testnet going live. Instead of tying themselves to Token 24/9 and its pre-sale restrictions, the team is hosting their own deployment event that is backed by new partnership with CoinStore. This is where the Awakening Testnet, the full X series mining hardware, and the X1 mobile app will be all showcased together for the first time. What also really stands out here is how BlockDAG continues to prove its independence because it's fully self-funded, with execution and delivery taking center stage instead of empty hype. This event is a launchpad for the next global phase and a clear signal that BlockDAG owns its roadmap, its community, and its expanding ecosystem. What I also would like to highlight is that momentum is also reflected in the numbers, and they are nothing short of explosive. BlockDAG has now raised over $405 million, with more than $40 million pouring in this month alone at a pace of over $1 million every single day. Obviously, the community keeps expanding fast with over 312,000 holders and more than 1,000 new buyers joining daily. The X1 mobile app is already powering more than 3 million active miners, while the broader ecosystem has grown past 325,000 members across Telegram, Discord, and beyond. And to top it all off, guys, whales are also making serious moves with recent entries of $4.4 million and $3.6 million, showing real conviction behind this project. All in all, guys, these metrics obviously make one thing clear, and that is the fact that BlockDAG is positioning itself as a true contender for leadership in the Layer 1 space. And all of this momentum now, guys, is colliding perfectly with the final pre-sale stage. The price is now locked at 0.2016 with all bonus tiers phased out, which is giving every investor the same entry point before exchanges go live. But keep in mind that this window will not last long, and the pre-sale is open only for a few more days. With the Awakening Testnet live, the community fully engaged, and the ecosystem scaling fast, the timing definitely couldn't be more critical. That being said, guys, this is your final chance to step into a Layer 1 launch that is already running, and once it's gone, there is no going back. Don't miss it. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.